have seen some headlines come out of North America about ETIAS that make it sound like this is the most heinous, out of line program in the entire world. Croatian citizens only got a visa waiver to the US like a year ago. Before that, they had to travel to Zagreb, make an appointment at the US Embassy. They had to be interrogated about everything, their life in Croatia, where they're planning to go, what they're planning to do, how long they're going to be there. They'd have to provide bank account information like bank statements, proof of employment, proof that they owned a house. So I have a hard time hearing complaints about filling out a form and spending €7 online, you know? Like, look, in an ideal world, we can all travel freely all around the world without having to be checked or whatever, but that's not the world that we live in. So if you get bugged by this, please consider what Croatians had to go through before they got their visa waiver.